So I said that we want to be talking about valence electrons here. So that means if we're talking about, for example, the octet rule for an FF molecule where we have 2 fluorine atoms, we need to write the valence electrons as dots around them. So let's do a quick clicker question, and you tell me how many valence electrons does fluorine have? Remember, valence electrons are different from core. They're only the outermost electrons in the outermost shell. So 10 seconds on this. This should be fast. Okay, great. Good job on the clicker questions today. So we have 7 valence electrons. So let's go back to the notes and let's fill these in. 7 electrons. Another way you could have known them was to look at Lewis's notes here, where if you look at this box carefully, you see there are 7 dots around the cube. So there are his 7 valence electrons. So what we see is when we use the octet rule to look at a fluorine molecule, we're combining 2 fluorine atoms, and what we end up with is an FF molecule where they're sharing 2 electrons, so making that covalent bond, but that each individual fluorine atom has 8 electrons or full octet around it. We can think about where those electrons came from. So we got 7 from the blue electrons here, 7 as shown in green here, but each individual fluorine atom has 8, even though 2 of those are being shared between both of them.